Wait, what are you going to say?
Hi, I'm Samantha Weissman, and you're watching Lifestyles of the Rich and Furry. Our first guest here today.
Wait, what are you going to say?
Hi, I'm Samantha Weissman, and you're watching Lifestyles of the Rich and Furry. Our first guest here today is Annie, the dog from across the hall. Now, Annie, how do you feel about being rich and furry? Also understated. Now, I understand you have an art collection. Is that so? Yeah, it's right there. I've heard it was priceless art. You love it, don't you? Oh, she's so doggone modest. So, do you have a good life? Is that so? Would you introduce me to your rich and furry friend, Maggie? Why, thank you.
Can I go get a piece of art that represents Maggie?
Oh, yes, absolutely.
Yes. Can I go now?
Yes.
We got a different place here.
Now I'd like to introduce Annie's best friend, Maggie. Maggie, snack. Can you tell which one's the real Maggie? And which one's Annie's priceless piece of art?
Maggie! You're getting some good. Good heads. Here we are, some.
Maggie.
That's the nice thing about them. Thin.
Good Maggie.
The whales have not gone to the. No, she's
Uh-oh.
like, oh no.
Did she just look?
Oh, good. What a good beginning.
Oh, God, much fun? I feel like a puppy myself. That's
Huh. We were just with Annie and Maggie, the two dogs from across the hall. Now, we're with Jamie and Jane, the two cats from across the hall. Now, how do you two feel about being rich and furry? Uh-huh.
Cat got your tongue?
So, how do you keep your nails so nicely manicured? With that thing? Oh, cardboard. Dad, how do you do that? Not interested? See my agent.
So, which is the pussycat and which is the off? Can you tell?
When I was born, I used to hang out under a Henry Moore sculpture. Then I decided that, I needed some art of my own. So, I looked around town and I found this very fascinating portrait here. I thought it looked a little like me, so I went ahead and went for the plunge.
I don't know if it's art, but I know what I like.
Excuse me, I need to have my manicure done now, so if you wouldn't mind just giving me a little private time, I'd appreciate it.
Hi, I'm Samantha Weissman, and you're watching Lifestyles of the Rich and Little. Our first guest today is Charlotte, our guest, my niece.
For crying out loud.
Now, Charlotte, how do you feel being rich and little?
I don't know.
Now, Charlotte, I hear you have this priceless rattle that you love to shake. Wait. That's my microphone. Then what's this? It's your rattle. Dance with me.
Dance with me. Ooh, dance with me.
It's a radio, I guess.
Dance with me.
Middle button top.
Dance
Want another rattle? This is the lifestyle of rich and little.
Lifestyles of the rich and little.
Fun all the time. Don't forget Ava. Woo! Don't forget Ava.
And here we are, the lifestyles of the rich and little. And the great Buddha observer of this household is sitting here, making sure that everyone keeps composed.
Now I'm here with Ava, of course the richest and littlest of all. Now Ava here knows the secret of life. Now, what is the secret of life? We'd all like to know. Interesting. I didn't
Eating.
think there had to be a reason. And that duck of yours, I see you're attached to it. Is it 14 karat? No. I see no. Well, would you like to get a 14 karat one of those, or is that just a squeaky toy? Yeah, I understand. Very touching. Okay. Meaning of life and the not 14 karat duck.
The what?
Duck.
The meaning of life?
14 karat.
And the not 14 karat duck? Okay. Well,
There you have it.
Any final words, Charlotte? Anything else you'd like to say? No.
Happy birthday.
Hi, I'm Samantha Weissman, and you're watching Lifestyles of the Rich, Big, and Furry. Our first guest here today is Mark Arbogast. Now, Mark, how do you feel about being big, rich, and furry?
Excuse me, couldn't hear the question. I'm too big, rich, and furry.
Right. How do you feel about being big, rich, and furry?
Oh, I feel wonderful about being big, rich, and furry. I wouldn't know how to be anything else at this point. I feel fabulous. Everybody should be as big, rich, and furry as my big, rich, furry family.
How did you get big, rich, and furry?
From eating oysters, which are difficult to catch and find, and also difficult to eat because they're so jiggly, and it's tough to get them through all the fur. Charlotte loves them, though. This is Charlotte, my big, rich, and furry daughter.
Does she feel great about it? Do you feel great about being big, rich, and furry?
Yeah.
Now, here's his wife, Vicky Arbogast, who's also big, rich, and furry. How did you get to be big, rich, and furry?
Surgery. To tell you the truth, I was neither big, nor rich, nor furry. And I married Mark. And then the temptation was there, but not
And then it
overwhelming.
grew.
Until we had Charlotte, our little rich and furry. And then I thought, well, I can't have so much of my family be big, little, rich, and furry
Big, little,
and
rich, and
feel so different from them.
So we explored medical options, is what she's trying to say.
Interesting.
And I went for surgery.
Interesting. Now we move to Wendy. Now we move to Wendy.
Yes,
Now, how do you feel about being big, rich, and furry?
I'm not sure.
Well, do you like it?
Sometimes yes, sometimes not so much.
Why not so much?
Itchy.
Very interesting. I understand.
Excuse me, did you say furry interesting?
Of course not.
Oh, just checking.
Okay. Now, this your little daughter here?
Yes,
Ah, I see. She's big, rich, and little, rich, and furry.
yes, she is.
Ah,
Has the fur come in yet?
I understand you. Like your little 14 karat gold doggy. Is it furry? No. Okay.
The fur just hasn't come in yet.
Excuse me, yes, that's correct. It will
The
be
duck is
furry
going for
very
surgery.
soon.
Good. We love furry ducks.
Yes, we do.
Okay, well,
Excuse me, you were gonna ask me how I got to be rich and furry?
yes, how'd you get here?
Well, it was odd, but it started really slowly. It started on my upper lip, and then it crept down. It crept down to my chin. I was so happy. And before I knew it, left shoulder. So that's what happened.
Interesting. Okay, well, I guess that's...
It's very upsetting to some
It's a
people.
very tearful, furry moment here.
Well, I guess that's it for today. I just love being big, rich, and furry.
Yes, we do.
We're calling the doctor now for more fur.
She needs another shot.
The medication, the Valium wore off.
It wears off. Funny that way.
Razors! There's a razor! Back!
Okay.
Ava wants the doctor juice. She's
And that's a wrap for another episode of Lifestyles with the Rich Little Furry, Furry Little Rich, whatever.
Here we go.
You want me to pick you up and carry you?
Okay, you come in and sit. All right, you take it down. To the end, yeah. We'll do it. Have a time for fun. No, it's not too bad, you say.
Box of juice? You done? Look at the camera, wave. Shake your rattle. Shake your rattle.
Goodbye!
See you on Friday after the Barbara Walters special.